baby, Mars, baby, Mars, baby, Mars, baby. Dark low, nigga, dark low, nigga, dark low, nigga, dark low. Live dawn, live dawn, live dawn. Let's go. You know my background. I might come through clapping rounds, so put your back on the ground. Smoke you in the jag just like a black and mild. He sped off and crashed, he passed out, he didn't last a half a mile. Pat down the bag of towns now. Pat him down. Niggas ass out. We get fast cash, ski mask route. Squeeze the machine flat in your cheap ass house. Collapse in the street, that's how we play cat and mouse. Major the beef, blazing heat, say the cap and gown. Niggas is rapping loud. I was at the cabin rapping loud. Waiting for crack to come back in style. I'm packing vows. The Louis V jacket is black and brown. The ratchet, I backed it out. The Mac was on the rack mount. I had to spread some cheese around the staff like it was laughing cow. A talent might happen to crack your scalp like a dragon stout. Your ass will get found in the trash by a basset hound. Mars, baby, Mars, baby, Mars, baby, Mars, baby.
Right, yo, School of hard knock, I ace, no cap and gown. He say hustle like Ace, you just cap and clown. I'm Nino Brown, we doing business, hold up, pat him down. Burberry coat, the scarf wrapped around. I dicked it down, then I asked her, is you happy now? I clapped him down, before that, I had dashed him down. With a smile on, money just pile on. I got a judge on, if I pull it, it's trial on. Different speed, you too slow, I got a mile on. I'm ahead of you. Get rich, no sell, what's the milestone? They stuff you with it, bombing fluid like a cow zone. I'm a king, you in my presence, bow home. You worry about watch, I just buy home. I heard the fans gotta watch, I just dodged the phone. You mild when you watch Sopranos, I'm the Black Rambo. I'm in New York like a giant with Marciano. I told beat I send the beats, I ran out of ammo. I shoot you down, you walk up on me, boy, you just a fan of. Coke drying on the window, still get the fan up. And never let them know your next move, keep your hand low. You like Shaq in Orlando.